Hello children, I welcome you all for the online class of subject Computer Science for 8th Standard. Today we have to learn the chapter Creative Application. Under Creative Application, the name of the chapter is Impact of IT in the Society. And this session was submitted by Kavita. Let us see the name of the chapter again. The name of the chapter is Creative Application, under that Impact of IT in the Society. Before enter the lesson, let us know the learning objectives. Number 1, Introduction. Number 2, Ecom definition. Number 3, how Ecom functions. Number 4, effect of IT in the field of education and medicine. Number 5, IT workers and their role in IT. And at last, we have to see advantages and disadvantages of Ecom. Let us learn what is IT. The study or use of system. So, you have to study or use a system. Example for the system, especially the computers or telecommunication. For what purpose? For the purpose of storing, retrieving and sending information is termed as IT. I explain it again. You have to study or use a system for the purpose of storing the data or retrieving data or sending information or data to someone else. It is termed as IT. Let us see the expansion of IT. What is the expansion of IT? Information technology, in short, refers to IT. Let us see the application of IT in the field of communication. Example, mobile devices, not only mobile devices but also cell phones and iPad and iPod. With the help of this development, we have to communicate easily with our friends who were across the world or within the country or state or the city or the neighborhood, the house and even within a room. Let us learn the difference between iPad and iPod. iPod is a music player while iPad is a tablet device. iPods are much smaller when compared to that of iPads. iPads have the ability to browse the internet while it is not possible in iPods. iPads is used to play games and applications while iPod is not possible. So, in short, we have to learn that iPad is nothing but PC. What are the operations we just perform in the PC that can be applicable in iPad while it is not possible in iPod. So, what's the purpose of using iPad? It's only used to listen music. Let us learn the definition of Ecom. Number 1. The buying and selling of products or services by businesses and consumers with the help of an electronic medium is termed as e-commerce. So, what's the definition? You have to buy or sell any product with the help of an electronic medium, then it is termed as e-com. Move on to the definition of e-com for the next one. The buying or selling of products over the internet. In other words, they just explain if you want to buy or sell the product with the help of internet, it is also called as e-commerce. Any transaction that is completed solely through electronic measures can be also considered as e-commerce. So these are the three main important definitions that have been given to the definition of the word e-commerce. Let us note an important point. E-commerce, in short, addressed as e-com. Functions of e-com. Let us see the functions of e-com with the help of an shopping. Who is this person? This person is an user. That person can observe any item. If she want to buy any item on internet, first the person can search at the platform, online shopping platform. So then that person placed an order. If the person placed an order, then it passed to shopping cart. Then if you want to purchase the item, what you have to do? You have to pay the item with the help of credit card or cash on delivery. Some more options are available. Either you just use the gift voucher, etc. Then after completing the payment, you just receive the purchase order slip. So your order is completed now. So what then happen? Email. You receive the email. That user can receive an email that can be sent to both customer as well as the merchant. Merchant means a person who sell the product. Okay. At the same time, the product is sent to the warehouse for fulfillment for the purpose of packaging. Then shipping process can be carried out. At last, the person receive the item that can be placed with the help of online shopping site. So these are the functions of e-com for the example of purchasing an item on online site. Let us see some of the popular online sites. I think all are well known about that. Flipkart, eBay, Myntra, Jabong and Amazon. These are the familiar popular online sites most of the people can use nowadays. Effects of IT. Now we have to learn the applications of IT and the output of IT in the field of education first. So what's the application of IT effects in the field of education? Learning the subjects with the help of computer in the form of smart boards. This is the first and foremost application of IT in the field of education. Then with the help of presentation, the students can learn very easily. Let's see the applications of IT in the field of medicine. So in the field of medicine, the application of IT acts a very effective way. Let us take an example of hospital information system. So they just receive the details from patients and registered it in their computer. After that, it is also easy to diagnose the diseases. Then, during this pandemic period, it is very easy to understand the third point. It is easy to communicate between the parents, patients, and health professionals. So, computer in the field of medicine, diagnosing the diseases, monitoring the patients, and maintain the records, and at last, surgical can also be took place with the help of that IT in development. IT workers. This is a very important point we have to learn in this subject. Let us see a new term, IT workers. IT workers. To keep the systems running in IT, a large workforce is needed. So, up to this, we just learned the application of IT in the field of education, communication, and medicinal field. All these are performed with the help of a bulk of workers. That workers is called as IT workers. So, to keep the systems running in information technology, a large workforce is needed. In order to maintain networks, to create a new softwares, to ensure the information security. That workforce system does IT workers. So in order to maintain the networks, to create a new softwares and to perform the security, the large workforce is needed. That workforce is termed as IT workers. The IT workers are highly specialized. They are highly specialized in their field, so they are called as IT geeks. So the other name of IT workers is called as IT geeks. IT workers are essential to just every modern business model. So nowadays, each and every business can be performed with the help of IT field. The high demand for the services. What are the services? We already learned to create the new softwares to maintain the network in order to provide the security. A large bulk force of workers can be needed. That high demand for these services provide the IT industry. It created a large number of fast growing and high paying IT jobs. So from this we have to conclude computers and information technology touch nearly every aspect of modern life. Here we have to learn the advantages of e-com. I already told you e-commerce in short referred to as e-com. Let us learn the first point. It is available round the clock 24 by 7 and 365 days a year. The buying and selling can be done from anywhere where internet connection is available. So customers can select a desired product from the choices given by different providers. I already explained you. For example, let us take Amazon and Flipkart. These are the two online familiar shopping sites. With the help of these sites, the person or the customer can select the desired product of their choices. The product and services can be easily delivered at home. So the process of buying and selling is very fast and easy for us. Payment is done with the help of electronic currency in order to avoid this pandemic situation. Money transfer. Disadvantages of e-com. The main disadvantages: extra security measures have to be taken in order to avoid the online frauds and misallocation of funds. While transferring the fund online, you have to take extra security. Now we have to go through what are the points we just learned in this session. Number one, information technology in short refers to IT. The study or use of systems for the purpose of storing, retrieving and sending information is termed as IT. Computers and information technology touch every aspect of modern life. The buying and selling of products with the help of electronic medium is termed as e-com. E-com in short refers to e-commerce. To keep the system running in information technology, a large workforce is needed for the purpose of maintain networks, create new softwares, and ensure security. The IT workers are highly specialized in the field, so they are called as IT geeks. Children, it's time to do the activity. Let us play a game. Guess the field of IT application from the pictures given below. Observe the picture and give the name of the famous online shopping site. Yeah, very good. The name is eBay. On to the next one. So, what's the name of the online site shown in the figure? Very good, well tried. The second answer is Flipkart. On to the next one. Try to give the answer for the third one. What's the online site? Observe the name. Very good. So that's the end of the session. Thank you, students. We will see in the next section. Goodbye.